morning, guys. Hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday, guys. So I wanted to show you guys this dress. This is a remake. I made this dress a long time ago, and it was really long to the floor in Floyd. And then I decided, there was nothing else that I will do with this dress. So actually, I took the dress and I cut it. So guys, when I make these dresses, I cut it like a leotard. So if you see that, it's cut like a leotard under here, guys. So it's cut like a leotard. And then I just take the additional pieces and just put them like fringes and cut it all around, all around, all around. And it makes a unique, different dress. And then these is the shoes that I did a while back. I just took some shoes and took some lace. So if it's a woman that's getting married soon or whatever, and she's going into bridal stores and she's not finding beautiful bridal shoes, guys, just buy a pair of shoes and get really fine lace and some E6000 and some pearls, guys, and kind of make your own wedding shoes. But yeah, this is just like a remake a dress that I did. Just something different. I don't know, guys. I like really different stuff. So I thought that it was cute, unique, and different. So I wanted to share this with you guys. So I hope you guys are having an awesome, awesome Saturday, guys. So stay safe and be well. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the dress that I made. And like I say, guys, I like different stuff, different strokes for everybody. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I hope that you guys are staying safe. Yeah, this was a dress I probably would never wear again, but I did something spunky to it to make it a new creation. So again, guys, you guys want to make wedding shoes, remember, pick up a pair of shoes, some pretty lace, some pearls, stones, whatever you desire, and you can make your own wedding shoes as well. So as always, you guys have an awesome, awesome day. Stay safe and God bless, guys. Goodbye.